Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BoomiWorld. Hope everyone is doing great. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and check it out now. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is Routeshape and how to configure Routeshape on Boomi. So what is Routeshape? The Routeshape conditionally sends documents through different execution paths based on the value of a specified field. So Routeshape paths are executed in sequential according to how they ordered in Routeshape configuration. We can add multiple conditions and values to the Routeshape, allowing for many different execution paths. So now I'll tell you one real-time scenario. Okay, so the requirement is we need to get data from FTP server, and from employee details we have one field called address. So if the address field is India, then we need to update records into India database. So this is one requirement, and another requirement is if address field is UK, then we need to update records into UK database. So after that, if address field is US, then we need to update records into US database. If address field is other than India, UK or US, then we need to send customized error messages to end customers. So this is one sample real-time scenario. So we can see how to implement this scenario in Boomi. So this is our process, right? So for time being, I am removing all these shapes. Okay, so the first condition is we need to get data from FTP server, right? So here we need to place one FTP connector to get the data from FTP server. For time being, I'm using message shape to populate a employee document. So here we are getting employee name, employee ID, phone number, mail ID and then address. So this is the document we are getting from FTP server. Okay, so now we need to check conditions whether the address is India or UK or US. Okay, so for that one we can use Routeshape. Okay, so Routeshape is one of the logical shape. So you can find Routeshape under logical shapes. So I'm just dragging and dropping the Routeshape. So here you can find definition of the Routeshape. To conditionally send documents through different execution paths based on the route by field, use the Routeshape. The route by value is set from any available parameter type, and routers are executed in order. Okay, so after that, documents that do not match a route are routed down a default path. Okay, so this is the definition of the Routeshape. So after that we have display name. So it is not a mandatory field. If you want you can give, otherwise you can leave as it is. So after that we have route by. So here we need to choose the type of value to route. So now we need to select parameter type, whether it is a document, dynamic process property, profile element, SQL statement or store procedure. So as of now we are getting employee data from FTP server as a profile, right? So that's why I'm choosing profile element. So after that we need to choose profile type. So it is a flat file, so I'm selecting flat file. After that we need to select profile, flat file profile. After that we need to choose element, which is address field. Okay, so after that we have route values. So here we can specify one or more conditions to compare to the route by value. Okay, so for that I am just clicking on plus button. So here you can see new route. So here, so first we need to choose comparison values, whether it is equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, matches regular expressions or matches wildcards. So based on your requirement you have to choose comparison values. So as per our requirement, now whether the address field is India or not, right? So I'm choosing equal to, and value we need to type our exact value. So India. So Boomi is a case sensitive, so we have to be careful while entering the value here. So first it will check whether the address is equal to India or not. If the address is equal to India, it will go to the India path. And after that we have two more conditions, right? So new route equal to and value will be UK. After that equal to US. So this is how we need to add all route values. So based on our requirements. So after that I am clicking on OK. You can see equal to India, equal to UK, and then equal to US. So finally you can see default path as well. So if the value is not equal to India, UK and then US, those records will come to the default path. If the value is equal to India, the document will go to the India path. If the document is UK, it will go to the UK path. If the document is US, it will go to the US path. So this is how the documents will route based on the route by value. Okay, so as per our requirement, what we have to do, if the address field is equal to India, we have to update those records into India database, right? So we need to keep one database and then we need to connect to the India database here. So for time being, I'll place one stop shape here. In all paths, I am placing end and continue. So this is how we need to implement Routeshape on Boomi. So now I'm going to test this process to check the results. Process execution got completed. So by clicking on the Routeshape, we can see logs here. So we are routing by address field, right? So for the address field, we are getting India value. So it is comparing whether it is equal to India or not. So it is equal to India, right? So that's why the documents went through the India path. Okay, so now I'll change address field to UK and we'll see the document will go to UK path or not. See, the documents went to UK path. We'll see the logs. It is checking UK equals to India, not. So that's why the records didn't went to India path. So after that it is checking another condition, UK is equal to UK or not. So it is equal, right? So that's why the records went to UK path. So after that we'll change address to some Bangladesh or any other country other than India, UK and US. See, the document went to default path because it is checking whether the address value is equal to India or UK or US. So the value BGL is not equal to these three countries, right? So that's why it went to default path. Okay, so this is how we need to configure Routeshape on Boomi. So this is one of the sample scenario from start to end. Hope you understand the video. Yeah, that's it about today's video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get all notifications whenever I post the video. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.